Alright, so we're at the top here and getting ready to walk into the Pike Street Market. And then we're gonna get to the front and kind of see. Alright. So, jump in here. See you guys a little bit. I'm not sure you can hear me. You can see we have all the stuff there. We actually go outside. You see that way, all the way there, and the fish is way back here. You guys see all the fish all the time. You need to walk outside. And of course, this way also. Alright, so at the popular fish market, turn around so you guys can kind of see it here. So usually they have a fish throwing here. I'm gonna walk this way and I'll show you guys it's coming outside. It's a lot of people today. Right outside you can kind of see, so I'm going to turn around so you can kind of see the Pike Street Market up there. Alright. So we're right up front here. Okay. There's a lot of people today. You get it. Alright guys, so we are walking back down to from the outside. We walk the inside that way. So now we're out, we're gonna go outside. You can see the Pike Street Market. So we got out from the Pike Street Market, so now we're gonna walk down this way. Alright. There's a lot of people over there for sure. Fish there. See that way. I think families. Nó vui, lên nó vui về. And my daughter's gonna do some mission. So I'm gonna give you guys another view of the Seattle waterfront expansion. That's a lot of motorcycles. So we go down that way. You see all the stuff there, right? So that's where we're gonna walk down. I'll give you an idea. There. You can see. Alright guys, so my daughter wants to do some shopping here. It's called Zoo Village. I have no idea. So we found it, and that's what we'll be doing. Just gonna walk around the mall a little bit, and I think after that, I think we're gonna head home. Alright. Let me show you guys the Zoo Village here. So you got the mall down there. You got all the food here. I'm not sure that circle around. You got the mall going that way, and I think it's wrap around, it's coming that way. So, alright, where are we going? They got the whole inside here too. It's pretty big. You can walk that way. Alright, we're gonna walk outside first here, and we're going out this way. Alright, so we walk inside a little bit. Got the jewelry here. You can go all the way down there. You can head out this way. And you can also head out that way. You want to head that way? Back to the car? Okay. Bye. Alright, so I'll give you guys another view here. Just coming in that way. You can walk in that way. And inside there, there's a mall. You can also go out to that side. Alright. So we're gonna walk back to our car. And we're gonna head home, I think. It's getting late.
like a sunrise glow.